everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I planned my week just like this. Remember to subscribe to my channel for so much more videos. Let's get started. So here's my weekly that I already planned out. So what I'm going to do is make a copy to show you just what I did and my whole entire process. This was requested, so I did have my weekly already planned, but I just want to show you guys what I do usually to create my weeklies. So this week was all about the chores. Every day I had certain chores that I needed to do, so I decided to create a certain spot at the bottom, and this is exactly where all the chores would be, so I already know that the bottom was designated just for that. This really keeps my notes organized and all the chores organized in one spot in this weekly plan. For more information on where you can get this beautiful planner, you can just check out the description box below and I'll link my shop there. Now let's get to the weekend. The weekend, I love just writing out all of the days. And actually, to be honest, this is the first time that I'm actually doing my written tabs this way. I usually do like morning, noon, evening, or like breakfast, lunch, dinner time, if it, something like that. But this is the first time I'm actually breaking them up into like a weekend section, chore section, and a resting section. So this is brand new to me, and it's a good idea to see what else you can do with your planner so that it's a little bit different each week. I'm putting work because I work from Monday to Saturday. So if you're working only Monday through Thursday or whatever days you're working, you can put that wherever it is that you need it. Alright, now I'm looking for images to make washi tape. Now one of my favorite images is this leopard print that I found on Pinterest. So I'm just going to crop it down to size and create my washi. It is looking super cute. I love making washi, guys. It's like my favorite part. All right, now I'm getting into the stickers. So I'm just gonna add in all the stickers that I need for the week and everything that I really like to use basically every week, plus the chores. That is the new part of the weekly plan. So I'm actually going to speed up the video so that you can see, because this process takes me a long time. I am now going to type in teletherapy and also write in the time that I have the therapy. So this really marks what day you're working and also the time so that you're staying on track and organized. By the way, these stickers you can find in my general sticker pack in my shop. Once again, it will be linked in the description box below. All these stickers that I'm using here, the sleep sticker, the shopping bag, these will be found in the description box below in my Etsy shop. These faith stickers, the one with the cross and these little backgrounds and doodles, are all found in the faith sticker set. but this is actually in a bundle, which includes my devotional, a notebook, and many, many stickers. So if you want that, also check out the description box below. It will be linked. Chore stickers are next. I am super excited about these stickers. These especially are from CCM Digitals, and they have all kinds of chore stickers. And I absolutely love these stickers. It really helps me to keep organized with all the chores that I have to do each week. And it tells you vacuum floors, clean the closets, clean the bathroom, mop, sweep. Everything that you need as a chore is in these stickers, so I definitely suggest you check them out. These Instagram stickers, I found them in pngtree.com. I remember I said this before in my last video, so you can check that out. They do have free images, but you do have to attribute them if you are using them for commercial use. But if not, you can use them for personal use, of course. Oh my gosh, this binge sticker. Yes, yes, yes. This is from TWG Designs, and these delivery boxes also from TWG Designs. Love their things and all their stickers. And I'm going to actually stack them up with my sticker and make it look like one wonderful shopping spree. I love using stickers, guys, if it's not obvious already. Stickers. All of these little computers are in my digital sticker set. You can find them in the home office and also in the general sticker kit. So whichever one fits you better, you can get them. They're super beautiful, high quality, high resolution, and they just look great in the planner. As you can clearly see, they are gorgeous. So now I'm just doing the final touches. I like to use a little highlight on the numbers to really make those numbers pop. So I'm using like a light pink that matches the theme going on here. So now it really pops out more, stands out more, and I love it. By the way, I get this question a lot, and a lot of people ask me about this font that I'm using. It's actually a font that I just created using an app on my iPad, and I just use in all caps, and I just love this font because it really helps the words that you want to stick out. So I like using this font when I'm doing my weekly plans, especially when I'm typing them, or else I would just write them myself. Ooh, and you're getting a really cute sneak peek at a sticker set that's not even out yet. It's supposed to be my kitchen set, but I ended up doing like other things. You know how when you're creating and you're being creative and you do like 10 projects at once, so this is one of those projects that didn't get done yet. But I just have a little pot in there and a little cutting board, and I just think it's super cute. Now I'm using another sticker that I have from, I believe it's Victoria Hatchet. Where did I get that from? And these just beautiful stickers. I'm not even exactly sure where I found them, but these are of course for personal use, and they're super beautiful. And I like putting it right by the cross there, like just bringing flowers to Jesus. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And now I'm just adding in some more leopard print or cheetah print to the bottom, along with some leaves. These leaf stickers, actually, I found them from Creative Market. So Creative Market is basically a place where you can find all kinds of art, digital mock-ups, all kinds of things that you need to create art, to create all these kinds of things. And they do have freebies every week. So they refresh their freebies every Monday. So every Monday you can check it out. They have fonts, they have PNG images that you can use for personal use or sometimes even commercial use. So I definitely always check them out. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!